Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to explain how to structure a Band 8 IELTS Writing Task 2 essay for one of the most common question types, the Advantages and Disadvantages essay, using the topic of international tourism. Make sure to watch until the end for tips and ideas, and check out the free PDF in the description for the full advanced vocabulary list you can start using right away. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Let's get started. Here's the question. International tourism has brought enormous benefits to many places. At the same time, there is concern about its impact on local inhabitants and the environment. Do the disadvantages of international tourism outweigh the advantages? Introduction. International tourism has become a major driver of economic growth for many countries, contributing significantly to national income and employment. However, its rapid expansion has also raised serious concerns regarding its environmental impact and effects on local communities. In my view, although tourism brings notable benefits, the disadvantages for residents and ecosystems far outweigh the advantages. Explanation. The introduction restates the question in fresh words and gives a clear, confident opinion, using phrases like raised serious concerns and far outweigh shows. Lexical sophistication expected at Band 8. Paragraph 1. Advantages of international tourism. One clear advantage of international tourism is the economic boost it provides. Tourists spend money on accommodation, food, transport, and attractions, directly supporting local businesses and creating employment opportunities. Additionally, tourism often leads to improved infrastructure, such as better roads, airports, and public facilities, which benefit both visitors and residents. Beyond the financial gains, cultural exchange between tourists and locals can foster mutual understanding and promote global awareness. Explanation. This paragraph presents the positive impacts clearly and concisely. It focuses on economic benefits and cultural exchange, providing a balanced but focused argument. Words like driver, foster, and infrastructure enhance lexical resource. Paragraph 2. Environmental impact and community issues. Despite these advantages, the negative consequences of tourism are more severe. Popular destinations frequently suffer from environmental degradation, including pollution, waste accumulation, and damage to natural habitats. Moreover, the growing demand for tourist accommodation often leads to rising property prices, which can displace local residents and erode community life. Explanation. This paragraph introduces the first set of disadvantages, focusing on environmental damage and social consequences. Splitting the disadvantages allows the essay to develop ideas fully without overcrowding one paragraph. Advanced vocabulary, such as environmental degradation, displace, and erode makes the argument more precise. Paragraph 3. Strain on services and cultural dilution. Over-tourism places significant strain on public services such as healthcare, transportation, and sanitation, which can struggle to accommodate the large influx of visitors. Additionally, the commercialization of local customs can dilute cultural traditions, reducing them to performances primarily aimed at entertaining tourists rather than preserving authentic heritage. Without careful regulation, these impacts can be irreversible, making the cost of tourism far outweigh the benefits. Explanation. This paragraph completes the discussion of disadvantages by covering the pressure on local infrastructure and cultural impact. Including strain on public services and dilution of culture shows a deeper understanding of tourism's broad consequences. Ending with far outweigh links back to the opinion and strengthens cohesion. In conclusion, while international tourism offers clear economic and cultural advantages, its negative effects on local populations and the environment are increasingly difficult to ignore. Unless sustainable measures are adopted, the disadvantages of global tourism are likely to continue outweighing its benefits in the long term. Explanation. The conclusion summarizes the key points in a fresh way and restates the opinion confidently. Using outweighing again ties the essay together and reinforces the main argument. To keep this lesson short and focused, I didn't include all the advanced vocabulary list here, but you can find the full list and the complete sample answer in the free PDF linked in the description. Thanks for watching and good luck in your exam. Are you preparing for IELTS TOEFL TOEIC or OET? Specialists in exams connect students with expert tutors for one-to-one online lessons to help them excel in the exam. Visit our site to find your perfect match. Book a free one-to-one today.